Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10, CBSE, Chapter 2, Polynomials. Example 1. Look at the graph, figure 2.9 below. Y is equal to P of x, okay, wow. That P of x is polynomial, okay, polynomial equation. Therefore, from the given graph, find the number of 0 of P of x. It is a very, very easy question, okay. It will be asked in one more questions, okay. First subdivision. The number of zeros is equal to how many zeros? இந்த curve இருக்குல்லப்பா, அந்த curve xல எத்தனை தடவைப்பா மீட் ஆயிருக்கு? only one time. Therefore number of zeros is equal to 1. இங்க வந்து 2 times. Therefore number of zeros is equal to 2. 1 2 3 3 times. Therefore 3. 1 time. Therefore 1. 1 time. Therefore 1. 1 2 3 4. Therefore how many times? 4 times. இது எப்படி எழுதணும்னா நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஜீரோஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்டிவிஷனுக்கு வந்து 1 ஓகேவா? as the graph meets the x-axis only once. ஓகேவா? அதே மாதிரி செகண்ட் சப்டிவிஷன்ல வந்து என்னப்பா சொல்லியிருந்தோம்? ஆன்சர் 2. கரெக்டா? therefore the number of zeros is equal to 2 as the graph meet the x-axis at 2 points. Okay. Third subdivision. Therefore answer is 3. The number of zeros equal to 3 as the graph meet the x-axis at 3 points. Fourth subdivision. Fourth and fifth subdivision, there are only one. Last subdivision 4. Okay. The number of zeros equal to 1 as the graph meet the x-axis at 1 point. Okay. Next, fifth subdivision. அதுக்கு வந்து என்னதுவா? number of zeros 1 தான். Number of zeros 1 as the graph meet the x-axis at 1 point. Last subdivision. The number of zeros equal to 4 as the graph meet the x-axis at 4 points. Okay, it is a very, very easy question. The starting of this exercise is very easy. Okay, thank you.